Hi, crafty friends. It's me again. And oh, I was so excited to show you this one. I did not fill all the holes with candles because the candles can come out. And maybe you're wondering, what's this, Nicole? Well, I was asked to design a beaded pen holder that can hold a few beaded pens. But I don't own any. And so what I did is I went to Timu, I will confess, ordered a package, but that takes 2 weeks to come in. And I'm sometimes a little impatient if I'm very excited about things that I came up with. So she sent me a picture of one that was a circle and it had all straight edges, and I thought, well, I must be able to jazz that up or something to make it more fun. So when I was designing this cake, because that's eventually what it became, I designed it and I will show you and I will explain how it came together if you like to know, of course. First, let me take out all of the candles because this can hold beaded pens. I only chose to add these candles in the 3D print file. So if you have empty spots, you can fill them up with something fun and something that fits the theme. The only problem I was facing was when I was designing it, I had the idea to do these droopy edges. And I thought, well, if I'm going to do that, it takes so much time, and people who do 3D printing know that color changing, one, makes a lot of waste, and two, takes a lot of time to print. So I thought, I want to have those dripping edges, but how am I going to do that? And then all of a sudden, you know that effect when you're a little bit creative, that the light bulb goes off. So then I came up with this idea, because if you have PLA, you can print it very, very thin. And what I did is I printed it in 3 or 4 thicknesses. I don't know if that's even a word, but I printed the strips. I didn't look at the length that they were. I just wanted to find out if a strip would be still bendable, because this is just PLA. And it was. And then I discovered that I need a certain thickness, and sorry for my phone, that ever since I posted this on Instagram, my Etsy store is bombarded. So I'm sorry for the blinging, the beeps you hear. But where was I? Okay, yes. So I noticed that I still was able to print them, even though it's a fair thickness and they won't break easy. You see, I can almost fold it in half. And then I had something like, yes, because what I did is I printed this in pink, and then only the top layer I did in white. And then afterwards I measured the exact sizes I need, and then did a little bit of, you call it instant glue, those tiny little glue thingies, and I added the strips against the edge, so it looks like the icing is dripping over the edge. And to show you that the pens perfectly fit, see, they do perfectly fit. But I had something like, I'm a little bit OCD, then I will be left with a few open holes, and then I thought, you know what, a candle would be so cool. So I printed pink candles with a white tip. They look so realistic. I just can't. Oh, I'm just so happy with this. So, if you buy the 3D print file for this officially 3D beaded pen file, you will get the candles with them, and you can print as much candles as you like. I just added them because I thought it was a fun twist to this stand. And I'm even thinking about printing longer stems to hang keychains from it. So my brain is still thinking, how can I print them perfectly so keychains can hang from it, because then you will be able to hang 26 keychains from this cake. It's just a thought. I did not make that yet, but I could not resist showing you guys. And also, what I also made today, because last time I showed you this display, that's a keychain display, and ever since I posted that one in my Etsy shop, you guys, oh my goodness, I get so many questions. Oh, could you make a third one? Yeah, of course I can. So, what I did is I designed a third one. This is the second one. The first one is also in my Etsy shop as a 3D print file. And the third one I printed in colors that I would normally never choose, sorry. But I printed it in purple, white, and gray. And they all come with their own stands, and they all work perfectly, so you can hang your keychain from this stand. So I hope you guys liked what I had to show you. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for supporting my small Etsy shop. I truly appreciate it, and I'm overwhelmed with the fact that you guys gave me or are coming to me with your ideas, and that I have something to put my mind to, and that I can try to make you guys something fun. I wish you all a nice day. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.